honeys. How's your day going? Or how has your day gone? It's almost 11 o'clock p.m. here. And I was out and about today. And I bought some meat. Went to the store and bought some meat. So now I'm just getting around to washing it and seasoning it and marinating it. So I'm getting ready to vacuum seal some of it right now. So I just washed this big old pile of chicken here. See, it's a big pile of chicken. And I haven't smushed it to work those seasonings all through it yet. This is what I used. Yellow mustard, garlic, onion, and black pepper and sea salt. Frank's Red Hot seasoning blend, paprika, and chili powder. Oh, and some Worcestershire, what's this here sauce. So I put all this on the ribs too. So I'm getting ready to vacuum seal the ribs. I want to get that out the way before I fool with the chicken. So these are two baby back slabs, and usually I'll cook 2 slabs at a time, 2 slabs or more. But since we're rationing meat, I got a half a slab in each bag. And this is how I do my bags. I always fold them down, because when I put the seasoned meat in here, I don't want the outside of the bag to be nasty. So because I folded it down, all the nastiness is on the inside. So when I roll it up, because you don't want all this stuff getting in the vacuum sealer. I'm going to vacuum seal this. I'm going to pull all of them up. I want to barbecue tomorrow. I want to barbecue some ribs and chicken, but I don't want to use up all my meat. Usually it's no problem with me throwing a whole lot of meat on the grill. But I'm trying to ration my meat in these times. And see, I season the meat real good. And I got meat side toward meat side. And bone side on the outside. Okay. This is the Aicok or the Aicok vacuum sealer. I got another one in there and it works just as well. But this one was handy, so that's why I grabbed it. Okay. To vacuum seal it, I have to make sure the edge of this bag goes inside of this trough here. If I just wanted to seal it up, I would just lay the edge of the bag on here. But I want to pull all the air out and infuse all these seasonings into it. That's in there. Close it. That's in there. Have to lock it. I always have trouble locking this side. There it goes. I see his bag shrinking. Now sealing. And when you marinate your meats, not only does it taste better, but your meat will cook faster. Okay. Vacuum sealed. So let's seal. So I'll do one more for y'all. Try to push out as much air as possible. Push this down in the trough. little bag shrinking. So all these seasonings are being infused into the meat. This light is still blinking, so it means it ain't ready yet. Okay, now it stopped blinking so I can open it. Okay, so when I get to the chicken, I'll come back. Okay, y'all, I'm finished bagging up my chicken. That's the way it looks. I have 3 legs and 3 wings in each bag. And in the last bag, I got 6 wings. So, like I showed y'all with the other bag, I always fold it down. Now I'm going to unfold it so the outside of the bag is completely clean. Or else it'd be looking just like what's on the inside of here. So I'm trying to squeeze out as much air as possible. You don't see the seasoning on the chicken. Okay, get this out of my way. You don't see me. Okay, once again, I'm putting the end of the bag down in that trough. Close it up. Lock each side. And then press vacuum and seal. So now it's through vacuuming it, so now it's sealing. I have to wait for this light to stop blinking. Now I'll unlock it. See that? And if I freeze it like this, I can take it right out the freezer and throw it in my air fryer. And it'll cook for the same amount of time as thawed out food. About 23, 24 minutes at 400 degrees. And it'll be perfectly seasoned chicken. Okay. Do one more chicken. Squeeze see the seasoning on there, yeah. Kind of press out as much air as possible. I'm putting this down in here. Did that lock? Yeah. I'll leave a link for this vacuum sealer in my description box and also for these bags. You can't just use a regular plastic bag. You need vacuum seal bags. It's pretty reasonable. Okay. Okay, that's all, folks. So I want to thank you for watching me vacuum seal my meats. And they're ready for the freezer. I'm going to leave a couple bags out because I want to barbecue tomorrow on the grill outside. So, I'm tired. It's 11:19 right now. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. Stay in and stay safe. Bye. Okay, I'm getting ready to portion out and vacuum seal these Polish sausage. I like the hot beef Polish sausage by Scott Pete. They used to be Scott Peterson. They changed their name. Anyway, I'm going to portion them out into tubes. So I'm going to cut this bag. Oh, these scissors are whack. I'm not going to throw this away. Okay, so I'm going to vacuum seal this and stick it in the freezer. Because we don't eat the whole pack right away when we open it. And hot dogs and Polish sausages, they will get rancid if they stay open in the refrigerator too long. You didn't have to throw them away. You can't be throwing away no food. There's some hot dogs here too. That's my beef. Okay, let's stick this in the freezer. It's vacuum sealed. It's vacuum sealed just as good as what the stores be doing, like that. Okay, let me show y'all what I'm doing with this piece of a bag. It's the other half of the bag. Okay, I'm going to put this in here. I'm just going to seal this in. Let me show y'all. I'm just putting it on this bronze looking strip to just seal. So nothing need to be vacuumed. Oops. So I'm actually making a bag. Bag is sealed. So I'm going to put 2 more Polish in here. And you can buy just a long roll of this and just make your own bags. Can't be wasting no food, y'all. It's in a nice bag. Okay, now I'm going to vacuum seal it and put this edge of the bag in this trough here. Lock it. So this is what I have done here. I've portioned out my meat. Instead of cooking a big old tray of meat just cause it's there, I can't so readily go to the store and buy more right now. Okay, perfectly vacuum sealed. And I do the hot dogs the same way. And I got some hot Italian sausage. 2, 3. Probably put 3 in a pack. Okay, y'all. I'm going for real now. Bye. Okay, this is my Aicok vacuum sealer. And I just did portion size control. During this lockdown, we can't just grab what we want to eat and keep eating and gorging ourselves. Have to kind of think it out, portion it out. So I got some baby back ribs here. That's a half a slab. Normally, we can easily eat 2 slabs. Me and Walter. I'm portioning out the hot Polish. Because you know, they don't last forever once you open that pack. Even though they're in the refrigerator, they'll go rancid. And I got chicken. I got 6 pieces of chicken in each bag. Washed, seasoned. So everything's ready to be frozen. Except for one of them, this one. This didn't seal properly, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. So, portion control. Okay. And once again, I use my Aicok vacuum sealer. Bye.